In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add the US30 index on MetaTrader 5. If you've just installed MetaTrader 5 or you're switching to a new broker, you might notice that not all instruments are visible by default. Indexes like the US30, which tracks 30 major US companies, sometimes need to be added manually to your market watch before you can open a chart or place a trade. That's exactly what we're going to do together, step by step. First, open your MetaTrader 5 app. Make sure you're logged into the correct trading account with your broker, because the available symbols can vary depending on who you're trading with. Once the platform is open, look for the Market Watch window. On desktop, this is usually on the left side of your screen, showing a list of symbols with their bid and ask prices. If you don't see it, you can enable it from the View menu at the top, then select Market Watch and it should appear. Now, move your mouse over anywhere inside the Market Watch window and right-click. This will open a context menu with several options related to the instruments you can trade. From this menu, click on the option labeled Symbols. This will open a new window that shows all the symbol groups and instruments your broker offers, including forex pairs, commodities, indices, and sometimes shares or cryptocurrencies. Inside the Symbols window, you'll often see categories or folders. At the top, or somewhere inside the window, there should be a search field. Click into that search bar and type in US30. As you type, MetaTrader 5 will filter the results and show you any available symbols that match what you entered. The exact name might vary slightly depending on your broker, but as long as you see something with US30 in it, that's what you're looking for. Once you see the US30 symbol in the list, click on it to select it. Then, if it's currently hidden, you should see an option or a button to show or enable it. In many cases, this is done by simply double-clicking the symbol, which toggles it between hidden and visible. After you enable US30, it should now appear in your Market Watch window. You can close the Symbols window, and back in Market Watch you'll see US30 listed among your other instruments. From here, you can right-click on US30 to open a chart, check its price, or prepare to place trades, just like you would with any